Have you ever wanted to help a little plant, but wondered what to do first? One bright morning, Rohan carried his small red water bottle into the courtyard garden. Near the steps stood a basil plant in a round clay pot. Its leaves were still green, but they leaned a little lower than yesterday. Beside the pot was a small watering can. Rohan felt ready to help right away. He lifted the watering can with both hands. Then he paused. "Maybe I should make a gentle plan first," he said. Grandmother was tying up a climbing bean plant nearby. She smiled when Rohan came over. "A gentle plan is a wonderful idea. What do you notice?" Rohan looked closely. The pot was in the shade of the wall. The soil on top looked light and crumbly. A tiny leaf had a spot of dust on it. Rohan wanted to pour lots of water, but grandmother held up one calm finger. "First we notice. Then we choose one small helpful step." Grandmother showed Rohan how to touch only the top of the soil with one clean finger. "Does it feel very wet, or a little dry?" she asked. Rohan thought for a moment. "A little dry," he said. On the garden shelf was a simple picture card with a sun, a leaf, and a water drop drawing. Grandmother explained, "The pictures remind us to look every morning. A plant does not need a big surprise. It needs careful kindness again and again." Rohan made his first step. He checked the soil. His second step was to get a small cup. Grandmother walked with him to the tap. Rohan waited while she turned it on, and together they filled the cup only part of the way. Small and slow, Rohan whispered. Back at the pot, he poured the water close to the soil, not over the leaves. The water made a quiet pattering sound. Rohan stopped when the topsoil looked darker. He did not keep pouring just because the cup still had water in it. "What is our next step?" Grandmother asked. "Put the cup back where it belongs," said Rohan. He rinsed the empty cup with grandmother's help and placed it on the low shelf. Then he noticed some dry leaves on the ground. He collected them in the garden basket so the little walkway stayed clear. The next morning, Rohan hurried to the courtyard. He wanted to know whether the basil plant had changed. First he looked. The leaves stood a little straighter. He felt happy, but he remembered the plan. He did not water before checking. Rohan touched the top of the soil. It felt cool and a little damp. "Today it can rest," he said. Instead of adding water, he brushed away a little dust from the pot and gave the plant space in the soft morning air. Rohan took out paper and crayons. He drew 3 simple pictures, an eye for look, a finger for check, and a small cup for water slowly. He asked grandmother to put the picture page beside the pot. "Now I can remember my garden plan," he said. Later, Rohan's neighbor Anya came to see the plant. "Can I help too?" she asked. "Yes," said Rohan. First we look together. They noticed a new small leaf near the middle. Anya wanted to water it, but Rohan smiled. "Let us check first." Together they felt the topsoil very gently. It was still damp, so they chose a different helpful job. They moved the little garden basket closer to the steps. For several mornings, Rohan used his plan. Some days the soil was dry, and he asked grandmother to help him use a small cup of water. Some days it was already damp, and he simply looked, cleaned up, and waited. He learned that waiting can be a helpful choice too. One evening, the basil plant looked fuller, and its fresh leaves lifted toward the courtyard light. Grandmother placed one hand on Rohan's shoulder. "You helped by being careful," she said. "You noticed before you acted. You used small steps. You cared for the garden space too." Rohan looked at his 3 pictures. "Look, check, then help," he said. He was proud, not because he did everything quickly, but because he had learned to do one kind thing at a time. Before going inside, Rohan put the small cup away, waved good night to the basil plant, and promised to look again tomorrow. A gentle plan had made the garden feel calm and cared for. The lesson is simple: when we want to help, we can pause, notice, and choose one small safe step. Care grows best when it is gentle and thoughtful. Caregivers can invite children to notice one safe plant or household helper job together, choose a small step, and celebrate careful effort. Rohan's plan can be remembered in 4 calm words: notice, check, help, and put things back. Small caring routines can make everyday places feel welcoming for everyone.